Anya Army. I am back with another DIY. We are doing these super cute bleach Chanel jeans today. You only need 3 ingredients to do this DIY. You know I like to keep it easy. I like to keep it cheap. Let's get into it. Oh, before we do though, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Come on now. What's up? What's the hold up? Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss on an upload. You're going to start with some clean, plain blue jeans. I like Levi's. I just googled the Chanel CC logo and traced that onto some paper. I'm going to cut it out and kind of stamp it out so that it looks like this. I'm using boob tape because I couldn't find double-sided tape. I just taped some on the back of the pattern so that it wouldn't move around when I was trying to bleach it down. The boob tape worked really well because it actually is just double-sided tape. So it works just as well as double-sided tape would. And I put it on the little doodop in the middle so that that was also there when I put the bleach down. Gel bleach works best for this project because it's a bit thicker so it doesn't run quite as much as traditional bleach would.
3, 2, 1, go! This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Picking it up, I'm loving, I'm picking it up.
I set my jeans out in the sun for about an hour just so the bleach really worked its way in and really took out the color. I love my backyard, so pretty. And here is the final look. I love these. These are so fun. Just a nice, cool way to, you know, jump on the Logo Mania train.
3, 2, 1, go! This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.